Hello, everyone. Welcome to another session of our Amazon Sellers Lawyer Paralegal discussions. And today we're going to talk about dropshipping because dropshipping has been a very hot topic throughout Amazon selling history. And a lot of sellers are dropshippers, and we actually see a lot of clients who are also dropshippers. So we're gonna go around the room and get everybody's opinion on dropshipping.
So a big indication to Amazon on someone who is drop shipping is when someone is not identified as the seller of record on their products. And so if a customer is expecting something from you as a seller and they do receive their package, but it's in a Walmart box and they raise concern on that, you're going to get a drop shipping violation from Amazon. So even if you do source your products from Walmart, from Sam's Club, from Barnes and Nobles, wherever you source your products from, it's really important that you ensure you're the seller of record. So all your packing slips, your packaging, everything should say your brand's name, your store's name, no one else's, because that's the biggest indication to Amazon that you are drop shipping.
Mhm. Chris?
Amazon's made a really big effort recently to crack down on drop shipping. You want to make sure that your invoices predate your customer orders. So if you have a customer that orders from you on the 10th, you want to make sure you have received the merchandise that you're going to sell before the 10th.
And you should also ensure that you are the one processing customer returns. You shouldn't be letting that third party do it. And you need to be in charge of processing complaints of damaged goods and really any customer concerns. It can't be anyone else's job. It has to be you.
Mm-hmm. Of course, yeah. I mean, overall, just to get everyone's general feeling, what do you think of on a scale of 1 to 5? What do you think of the chance of likelihood of Amazon actually detecting drop shipping on a drop shipper from your experience? I will go first. I think I will give it a 4 out of 5 that if you're drop shipping, you're very likely to be detected.
I think so as well. I think you're very likely to get caught, and you want to make sure that you don't open yourself up to bigger problems with Amazon by trying to get away with it by falsifying some documents to make it work for you.
Mm-hmm. What about you, Max? In your experience, do you think, what are some ways that you think dropshippers could get into trouble with Amazon?
If there's any sort of problem along the line from going from where you're sourcing from to the customer and you're not the one receiving that call, then Amazon, it's going to be a red flag for Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
Especially now that they're cracking down.
Yeah, and especially if the customer, receives a package that, like Brianna was saying before, that says Walmart on it, and instead of Amazon or your company, they could very well just inform Amazon of that, and Amazon will be onto the drop shipper as well.
Yes, Amazon is a very customer centric platform. And so with enough customer complaints on the same issue, they will take the time out to figure out what's causing it, and you will receive a notification. So back onto that last question, out of 5, definitely like a 4.5. You guys were generous.
I think it leaves too many variables open that are out of your control. When you're doing business, you want to be in control of your business and not leave it up to somebody else that can cause you issues and shut down your business.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. I think all of you guys are very right. Amazon does have systems in place to detect drop shipping, not only from customer reports but also through various metrics on their accounts. These things could be measured, but I want to just also talk about how you could avoid drop shipping violations, or how to actually drop ship property, because Amazon actually allows, I wouldn't say drop shipping per se, but somewhat similar to drop shipping, where if you are ordering a product and then repackaging the product and then shipping it to the customers after you receive the order for that product on Amazon. It's very similar to drop shipping where you don't have the product in your inventory, but you are able to source the product after you receive the order. Then by making sure that none of the third party's information and logos and such are on the product before you ship it to the Amazon customer, that is a way to ensure the legitimate form of drop shipping that Amazon allows. So that being said, thank you everyone. It has been another session here with our Amazon sellers lawyer Paralegals. And if you're ever experiencing any issues on Amazon, do not hesitate to give us a call. And we have a very good group of very smart people here to help you resolve all your Amazon issues. Thank you.